Hi guys, good day. I'm with Ate Glenn and JR. We're here in Alwada Mall. Kasalukuyang hanapin namin ngayon sina Ate, Ate ba pa? At sa Ate Mayang. Nasa Daiso daw siya ngayon. So we'll just have some dinner dito. Kung saan, malalaman niyo mamaya. Yun na muna ngayon, hanapin muna namin kung nasan sila. Here guys, later. Bye! Kasalukuyan po na bad trip si ate. Kasi hindi niya alam kung saan yung papa dyan. Kasalukuyan sila naliligaw. Ito, alamin natin yung reaction niya. Hi, Manuel.
Hey, hi, this is Manuel, and this is Best episode number 221.
Ha? Ito, kailangan natin makita yung reaction ni ate.
221.
Like, what? Wala pa sila dito. Hindi ko nga alam. Ang alam ko, napag-usapin natin Mili. Sabi niya, siya rin
No,
ka
we have this card.
What's this? Ha? They will be here.
Yeah.
More than na ano ah. Manuel, what are you eating? What are you gonna eat?
This one.
Wow. So guys, yeah, as I said, we're here in Papa John's. We ordered 3 pizzas, namely their Super Papa, their pepperoni, and we're waiting for all meat, then that's a salad, and chicken. And our breadsticks. So kasama si JR, si Ate Mayang, si Ate Miller, si Shai, si Manuel, si Ate, at si Kuya Robert, and I am Best. So that's it muna. Enjoy, and mamaya baka makagala-gala kami. So yun na muna kayo guys. See you later. Bye. Manuel, pag maganda yung ginawa mo, may gift ka sa akin.
Ano yan?
Secret. Do it first.
No, here. Here, not there. Yeah.
Oh, tagal mo na.
Eh, paano siya? Yung edad niya rin?
Okay, 8 na lang.
Okay.
Ay, 9 na lang.
It's a wizard.
No, you have to Madam, the whole right.
Yakin mo ng picture?
Take picture.
Tama.
Ito lang kami background. Okay,
Pwede ka
here. Ayaw.
Pwede naman kayo eh.
Ayaw nga
Background nga lang kami.
Bilisan naman, bagal na.
Pwede ka model ng pintura.
Ano kami? Ano kami? Sorry. Sorry, Tita May.
Kayo nagubad yung bata ka, hindi nakubad yung sapato. Kuya, paint ka rin eh. Manuel, smile. Manuel.
Ah, hi.
So Manuel, tell us, what are you doing? Tell us in the video. What is that?
This is the star we're going to make.
Why?
Kasi
They're pushing me to do it.
repainting.
Ah, there are a lot of kids na.
G!